Here are funniest and craziest moments in football. Here is the moment of Cristiano Ronaldo when he showed his hate against Coca-Cola when he removed the Euro 2020 sponsored drink and said this. I really don't know what is going on here. A very funny moment happened when this soccer player got a yellow card for his twerking celebration after scoring a goal.
Now 7 goals, 11 career appearances for Kamara.
Why is he booked? What is that all about? It's just
Got a yellow for a celebration. Oh, well.
I think this is the most awkward moment. This female referee was teasing the player by calling him out as if she was about to give him a card. However, she pulled this instead. This goalkeeper was having a nightmare on the field that she could not stop a single goal in a game even though she got hands on the ball. After scoring a goal during celebration, this soccer player did not know there was a drop behind the advertising board and he plunged into the pit. A very funny flop happened during a match when a player slightly flicked the ear of his opponent in a friendly way. He surely made the most of it. It is certainly the most iconic and dramatic fake injury ever. This has to go down as one of the worst goals ever scored in women's soccer history. Juventus player Mehdi Benatia had an awkward moment on a grandest stage in football. During his medal ceremony, he tried to shake hands with one of the girls but got refused. This South African Football League team was toying with their opponents by showboating constantly. I don't know what she was trying to do here. Messi and Suarez were having a laugh when Suarez pranked Neymar by kicking the ball under his feet. An awful mistake by the goalkeeper happened that resulted in an own goal because of his shenanigans. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.